Welcome to EC Council CEH version 13 lab exercise. Now, this is module 11 session hijacking. We are going to perform activities on lab to detect session hijacking. Now, in this lab, we will demonstrate how to detect session hijacking using Wireshark by observing abnormal ARP traffic generated from a Bettercap attack. It highlights how excessive ARP packets indicate a man-in-the-middle hijacking attempt on the victim's system. In this lab, we will be using our Parrot security machine, whose IP address ends with 13, to carry out the session hijacking attack on the machine Windows 11 ends with the IP address 11. Let's go to Windows 11 and log in. Let's open Wireshark. And we are going to select our primary interface as Ethernet. Let's see. Okay, skip this version and Ethernet. Double click on this. Let's go ahead and launch the session hijacking attack on the target machine. So I'm going to go to Parrot, log in with the password TOR, which is here, TOOR. Open up terminal. I'm going to run as admin. I'm going to run the command bettercap iface eth0. So we are going to run the bettercap application on the interface eth0. I made a mistake. Let's fix that. We are going to go ahead and type net.probe on so that it sends different types of probing packets to all the IP addresses in the current subnet. Okay, so let's type net.probe on. So it has found a few servers, 11.19 and .22. Let's type net.recon on. It looks like that module is already running. Let's run net.sniff on. Now this starts sniffing live packet from these hosts, allowing the attacker to intercept session. Net.sniff on. All right, now we'll go back to our Windows 11 machine. And I'm going to click on, you see a lot of these ARP packets that's coming up. So it tells you that there is an ARP attack, man-in-the-middle attack happening because of it. So right now we are on 1, 2, 3, start. So right now we are on our Windows 11 machine and you see a lot of ARP packets. Okay, now Bettercap sends several ARP broadcast requests to the host. A high number of ARP requests indicates that the system at 10.10.1.13, which is the attacker's machine, is acting as a client for all the IP addresses in the subnet, which means that all the packets from the victim node, which is in this case is .11, will first go to the host system, which is 13, then the gateway. So similarly, any packet destined for the victim node is first forwarded to the gateway to the host system and from the host system to the victim node. So basically between the gateway and the victim node, we have this host node, where we are running the sniffing and we will be able to capture all the information. So that's an end of this exercise. Let's go ahead and answer the question. Use the BetterCap tool available in the Parrot security machine to sniff the traffic on the target system. Use Wireshark tool on the target system to detect the session hijacking attempt. Traffic on which protocol indicates the session hijacking attempt in Wireshark? It's ARP. All right, so that brings us an end to this particular exercise. Lab number 2, detect session hijacking. Thank you.